Wait, put down that recycle bin. Your old laptop isn't trash. It's a classic waiting for a restoration. Hi, I'm Bob the Cyber Guy. I know the industry wants you to buy a new $800 plastic laptop because your current one is obsolete. I'm here to tell you that is nonsense. You are likely holding a high performance machine that just needs a mechanic, not a funeral. Just think of it like a perfectly fast car being denied entry to a toll road just because it doesn't have the newest Easy Pass sticker. Your engine is fine, the rules just changed. Your hardware was rejected on a technicality, not a capability failure. You own a classic car, not a junker. Your old laptop likely has a great keyboard, a solid screen, and heavy-duty parts. In the car world, we call this a solid chassis. Why throw away a Mercedes just because the radio stopped working? We don't need to scrap the car, we just need to swap the engine. Meet Aluminium OS, the new engine. Aluminium OS isn't just a software update. It's a total engine replacement. It takes the heavy Windows engine out and replaces it with a system designed to be lightweight and instant. This turns your heavy laptop into a giant smartphone. Fast, responsive, and capable of running for years to come. Why your 16 gigabytes of RAM matters. The kitchen island. On 4 gigabytes of RAM, new cheap tablet, you can only make a sandwich. But a 16 gigabyte RAM, your laptop, you have room to cook a banquet. Think of RAM as counter space. You can have 20 tabs open, play music, and write an email all at once without things getting cluttered or slow. Don't trade your granite island for a card table. The full Chrome experience. Sometimes simple systems treat you like a child and give you a mobile version of the web. Aluminium OS is different. Real browsing. You get the full desktop Google Chrome browser. Extensions. Yes, you can install your ad blockers, password managers, and coupon finders. Visibility, everything is big, clear, and readable on your laptop screen. Hired security, the bodyguard. Windows viruses are designed to pick Windows locks. By switching to Aluminium OS, which is based on Android architecture, you are essentially changing all the locks on your house. It's like a bodyguard that stops threats at the door so you don't have to worry about what you click. Traditional Windows malware simply can't run here. Less maintenance, more living. The old way, Windows, hour-long updates, loud fan noise, slow startups. The new way, Aluminium OS, updates in seconds, instant on like your TV, silent operation. My promise, you didn't retire just to spend your free time waiting for a computer to restart. The Cyber Guy Special. Keeping your hardware is the smartest financial move you can make. You keep the premium screen, the comfortable keyboard, and the massive memory you already paid for. You are getting a 2026 upgrade for free, simply by changing how the machine thinks. Ready to start the engine? Back up your photos. Install the Aluminium OS new engine. Enjoy your fast, secure, restored classic machine. Don't recycle your 16 gigabyte laptop. It has a second life waiting for it. Let's get cooking on that big kitchen island. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy.